Well, the screws for this bezel were just two Phillips screws, and in the back there's that electrical connector right here, which I'm finding a little bit too difficult to remove, so I'm just going to leave it in place, and I'm just going to put this bezel off to the side here. I then used a flathead screwdriver to help me remove this cover plate to the back of that center panel back there, which is exposing another Phillips head screw, which looks like it's a Phillips 2 that I'm going to remove.